Excavators are versatile heavy equipment used to move large objects, such as soil and other materials. Widely used in mining, road construction, and building construction, they are an essential part of the fleet on any major project. In addition to varying sizes, there are also several different types of excavators, including crawler, dragline, suction, skid steer, and long reach. Each has its own unique strengths, adapting to different situations and specific tasks. Here, we'll review the 10 largest excavators in the world, ranked by their operating weight. Komatsu PC5500-6 excavator. Classified as a medium hydraulic excavator by Komatsu, it has an operating weight of up to 552 tons. It has a shovel that matches the backhoe capacity of 29 cubic meters and is powered by twin Komatsu SDA12V159E2 Tier 2 engines with a combined rating of 880 kilowatts or 520 horsepower. 9. Caterpillar 6000-6600-6 FS excavator. Based on the Bucyrus RH400, this model has an operating weight of up to 570 tons. Powered by twin Cat 3512C engines with a combined rating of 240 kilowatts or 3000 HP, it is known as Caterpillar's top seller in their mining excavator portfolio. The backhoe and shovel both have a capacity of 34 cubic meters, designed to precisely load a full Cat 793D truck in 4 buckets. 8. Liebherr R 996B excavator. This excavator, suitable for Arctic conditions down to -50 degrees Celsius, with a special configuration and the heat of Australian coal mines, has an operating weight of up to 676 tons. It features twin Cummins K1800E diesel engines with a combined rating of 240 kilowatts or 3000 HP. Both the shovel and backhoe capacity are rated at 36 cubic meters. 7. Komatsu PC7000-11 excavator. A new offering from Komatsu, the PC7000-11 first appeared at an Argentinian gold mine in early 2019. While an electric option is also available, Komatsu's twin 16-cylinder engines have a combined output of 500 kilowatts, 350 horsepower, and both the shovel and backhoe configurations offer a capacity of 36 cubic meters. 6. Demag H740 OS excavator. Specifically designed for KMC Mining's abrasive oil sands operations in Canada, the H740 OS has been in service since 1999. It has an operating weight of up to 744 tons and produces 280 kilowatts, 4000 HP, from its two 16-cylinder Cat 3516B diesel engines. 5. Komatsu PC8000-11 excavator. Weighing up to 773 tons, this is the largest excavator in the Japanese manufacturer's portfolio. The most commonly used Komatsu model in the Australian and New Zealand markets is the PC200-8, which weighs 36 times less than this behemoth. Its twin diesel engines deliver a power rating of 3000 kW, 4020 HP, and it has a shovel and backhoe capacity of 42 cubic meters. It is designed to be integrated with trucks with payloads between 240 and 400 tons. 4. Liebherr R 9800 excavator. With an operating weight of up to 810 tons, the Liebherr R 9800 comes with a choice of MTU or Cummins diesel engines or an electric drive version. The electric version produces up to 984 kilowatts or 4000 HP. The 42 cubic meters shovel capacity or 47.5 cubic meters backhoe capacity is designed to be paired with the Liebherr T264 or T284 dump trucks for maximum efficiency. 3. Hitachi EX8000-6 excavator. The largest excavator in Hitachi's fleet, the EX8000-6 boasts a 43.3 cubic meters backhoe bucket or a 40 cubic meters loading shovel. With an operating weight of up to 837 tons, this excavator can fill Hitachi's largest dump truck, the EH4000AC3, with just 5 buckets. Twin Cummins engines deliver a combined capacity of 2 900 kilowatts, 3 888 horsepower. For perspective, Hitachi's flagship mining excavator, the EX1200-6, has an engine capacity 1/6, the size of the Hitachi EX8000. 2. Bucyrus RH400 excavator. Originally launched as the Terex RH400 and renamed when Bucyrus acquired Terex's mining division in 2010, this model has an operating weight of 980 tons. With an engine capacity identical to the Caterpillar 6090 rupees, it requires 6 car batteries to power its engine. This hydraulic mining excavator previously set a world record for its ability to move up to 900 tons of material in 1 hour. 1. Caterpillar 6090 FS excavator. With an impressive operating weight of 1,000 tons, the 6090 FS is the world's largest excavator. It features twin Cummins QSK60 engines, producing a total of 360 kilowatts, 500 horsepower. When Caterpillar expanded its mining capabilities by purchasing Bucyrus in 2011, they based the 6090 FS on the Bucyrus RH400, originally launched in 1997. It can fill the largest Caterpillar dump truck, the 797F, with just 4 buckets, based on a 52 cubic meters bucket with a payload of 93.6 tons.